Tired of losing bookings because your customers can't see your availability? What if your Shopify store could display your live calendar directly on the page? First, log into your Shopify admin and head to the online store section, then click on Themes. Find your current theme and click on the Actions dropdown, then select Edit Code. This is where we'll add our calendar. In the code editor on the left sidebar, look for the section called Templates. Click to expand it, and then select the specific page template where you want the calendar to appear, like the product page or a new page you've created. Now find a logical spot in the template's HTML. Perhaps after a product description or a section of text here, you'll paste the embed code from Google Calendar. Next, open Google Calendar in a new tab. Go to the settings for the specific calendar you want to share, and ensure it's set to public so anyone can see it. Scroll down in the calendar settings until you find the Integrate Calendar section here. You'll see a box with an embed code. Copy that entire piece of HTML code. Head back to your Shopify code editor and paste that code exactly where you placed your cursor earlier. Be careful not to disrupt any other code around it. Once the code is in place, click Save. Your Google Calendar is now embedded. Finally, visit your live store page to see your Google Calendar in action. Customers can now see your event schedules, appointments, and availability without ever leaving your site, boosting transparency and eliminating scheduling confusion.